When it rains, it pours. The Duke Blue Devils forced the Miami Hurricanes into 8 turnovers, the most by a Power 5 conference team since 2009. Dominated the Hurricanes 45-21. Blue Devils quarterback Riley Leonard, he ran for 3 touchdowns and threw for another as the Blue Devils scored the final 28 points of the game. That was reality. That was regression. That's what Hurricanes head coach Mario Cristobal told me in the post-game presser. Hurricanes starting quarterback Tyler Van Dyke, he left the game in the second quarter with an injury near the shoulder region. He finished with 81 yards and 1 touchdown. Jay Garcia filled in. He had 198 yards passing, 2 touchdowns, and 3 interceptions. The Blue Devils, they turned those turnovers into 24 points in this game. They have won back-to-back games at Miami for the first time in program history.